We are here today at the GermanAire Classic Car Show in Niagara Falls at Firemen's Park. And we're gonna ask everyone what Volkswagen means to them. Hey Johnny, what does Volkswagen mean to you?
Volkswagen means everything. I grew up watching Herbie the Love Bug. This started my passion for cars. And when you walk around and you see the different paint jobs and the customizations, it's a statement of who these people are and how much they truly care. Volkswagen is car culture. VW is truly the car for the people.
The community, everyone's welcomed. There's no judgment. Everyone's wearing cool, funny colors. Everyone's having a great time. It doesn't matter where you're from, who you are, you're accepted.
Hey Tyler, what makes the GermanAire such a special event?
Just look behind me. It's the community. It gives them all a chance to kind of get together. You see a lot of modified Volkswagens, stock Volkswagens. There's people here selling parts. There's people here with fully modified VW bugs with chopped roofs. We've got it all. It gives everybody a chance to just kind of get together. It's amazing.
Hey Kyle, describe Volkswagen in one word.
Adventure. If you look around, you see everybody here with all these campers, all these different setups. You can tell that they've traveled around, they've gone and seen different things. So when I think of Volkswagen, I just think of seeing the world. That's what I think.
What's your favorite color VW?
Blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Wow, blue. Very good.
All right, Daria, now that we know what VW means to us here, let's walk around and see what VW means to everybody else here.
Volkswagen means to me coming home. It's coming home to a beautiful vintage vehicle that makes your heart pound, bringing you to community, bringing you to a community of love, light, and happiness.
In a few words, what does the VW brand mean to you?
Honestly, I can only describe it in one word. It's probably family.
It is a lifestyle and it's a family. Go to one of these and you find the friendliest, easiest going, helpful people you've ever seen. My grandmother had one. We're on our second bus from 76. We've got a 68 Beetle.
All right.
And just love spending a warm summer day, meeting all these people, looking for parts.
What Volkswagen did you bring to the show today?
So today we brought the 1976 pool bus, which we converted into an ice cream truck. So it's really cool. We prepare the ice cream with liquid nitrogen. So people love the show of smoke that we do. So it's pretty cool, yeah.
What Volkswagen did you bring today to the GermanAire show?
I brought my 1987 Volkswagen Westfalia camper. I acquired it about 18 years ago, and I've been camping in it ever since. I enjoyed both of my Volkswagens. I have a 1978 Champagne Edition also, camper. So I enjoy camping and driving in them.
What is your favorite Volkswagen?
It would have to be the GTI.
GTI?
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
You heard it here yourself. Volkswagen is more than just a car brand. With over 350 classic Volkswagen vehicles, what a great turnout this year. Come visit us at St. Catharines Volkswagen at 363 Lake Street, and let's get you into the community.